Bingo. Look at that, y'all. Chicken fried chicken. Fresh from the meat counter at Fairway Grocery Stores of Clear Lake, Iowa. Look at that. Let's take the lid off that. Got some mayonnaise. Oh yeah. Got some. There's the back side there. Yeah, chicken fried chicken. It's real chicken. Chicken fried chicken. With a elastic stacker. Dill. Got some shoestring cut, lightly salted fries. Turned out perfect. I love a good French fry. Number also an in-store brand fries. But these were 3 for $5. Rachel's having the same thing. What would you rate that?
Oh, good, but honey, I want more mayo.
What would you rate that chicken fried chicken?
4.5.
Oh yeah. Straight on 5 all day long, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And with that, I'm out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all there. Bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace.